How to go live on Instagram. So if you want to go live on your Instagram account, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to go live on Instagram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app. So this could be on your iPhone and it could be on your Android. So open the Instagram application. Once upon Instagram, go ahead and click on this plus icon on the navigation. Then here you should see post, you should see story, then there is reel. At the same time you have live. Then click on that. Now before you go live, you can come here, click on share with everyone here and select whether you want to share your live with only your close friends or you want to practice live first. So if you want to practice live before you go live reel, just come here and click on practice. When you go live, none of your followers will be able to see you. Then if you click on these three lines here, then you'll be able to add brand partner and update details. You can also use the calendar button then to set your video title, set time, and then schedule live. However, while going live on your Instagram, you can come here, switch filters, and then you can change the camera from rear camera to front camera. See that? And once you selected the type of camera you want to use on your phone, just go ahead, come here and click on live. Then you see the countdown. Then thereafter you see checking connections. You are now on practice live. If you are now on real live, then you should see your Instagram account go live. So now that you're on practice live, then you should see this practice icon. So for the first time, just click on next. Click on next. Click on next again. Then click on done. Then this video live is hidden while it is practice. Then you should see the practice here. You see that? Because this video is practice, so none of your followers is going to see this. But if you want to go live real, close this and then you can just discard the video. Now go back and then go live real and click on live without going for practice. Just come here and click on live, then you should see the countdown. And then once the countdown is completed, then you should see that you are now live on Instagram. So that is basically how to go live on Instagram. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.